Jesse here with Buck Builds with Trinity Auto Repair, and on this episode we have another Outerbanks Bronco. As you see, similar lift kit to the last video we did. Painted side steps, got the 22s on the Nittos, Volsons. What's unique about this one is it has the painted hardtop on this one, so take a look at that, guys. Pretty cool looking color match there. I kind of love the color match myself. So as you can see, it's got the RC rear tire reinforcement right there, got the full-size spare. I love the paint match. Nfabs on there. Actually, are they Nfabs? Yep, they're Nfabs on there. Yep, Nfabs. Painted matched hardtop. Pretty cool looking in there. Painted fenders that come with Outerbanks. White. Then they have aftermarket headlights. I'm gonna get you the specific brand on that, but I'll have that for the next video. I'll put it down in the description as well. So we have this one here. Nice Outerbanks. It's got the RC, as you guys already know. Love that kit. Rides great. No hate on RC. These are great riding kits. Got the ridge grapplers, as you can see. Got the lift in there. Paint matched everything on that. Looks really good. Definitely one of my staple builds there with Trinity Auto Repair. And then over here we actually have a new Bronco Raptor as well. As you guys can see, this one already has the paint match for flares. This one's coming in for some goodies, I assume. Let's see what we got on there. I think this one's staging for more mods, so we'll definitely keep an eye on this one as it goes through the shop. But as you guys know, this is Jesse with Buck Builds. We are always looking at what they're doing at the shop, for sure. Almost just bit it right there. It's pretty funny. But yeah, another Bronco Raptor coming through, as you can see. Love that style. Love the paint match fenders on that. See this awesome Land Cruiser parked next door too. Awesome. This is kind of their overflow, so we definitely get these into there. So stay tuned. We got the one that we just covered over there, the Bronco Raptor over here, and a shop build right there as well. So stay tuned for more. Subscribe to the channel, guys. We got a lot of more stuff coming, more interviews. I actually got a tripod in my hand I'm going to be using to interview Danny and myself to get better quality footage on all these builds. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe. Thanks.